Well, I would like to speak for the team that is in charge of the grave threats. So hindi po ako directly involved doon. But I know that they have done all the preparations necessary for the presentation of the evidence. At mamaya, palagi ko, panunurin natin lahat yan kung paano na ilalakad ng prosecution ng pagtestigo ni Director Matibag. Jake?
So, Katrina, I think what's clear is whatever grievances or issues that they may seem to have, no, against Director Matibag, it appears these matters are completely separate from the issues at hand. No? Kung ano itong magiging laman ng kanyang testimonya, which is again, masusing investigasyon na ginawa ng NBI paukol dito sa pagbabantang ginawa ng Vice Presidente laban sa Presidente. So, of course, we respect their right to pose any questions that they think may be appropriate to the witness. But at the same time, naniniwala kami, mahalaga dito, yung magiging testimonya niya. No? Maukol dito. Dahil ito naman yung magiging relevant and material dito sa impeachment proceedings. As I said yesterday, you wouldn't want to miss his testimony this afternoon. So let's wait.